Are you a beginner looking to start your own vegetable garden? It's an exciting journey that can seem overwhelming at first. But fear not, this video will guide you through the process of growing 4 easy vegetables that are perfect for beginners: tomatoes, lettuce, radishes, and zucchini. First on the list are tomatoes. Tomatoes thrive in warm weather and require 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Start by planting your seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last spring frost date. Once the seedlings are about 3 inches tall, transplant them outdoors in a sunny, well-drained spot. Make sure to water them regularly, but avoid getting the leaves wet as this can lead to disease. In about 2 to 3 months, you'll be able to enjoy your own homegrown tomatoes. Next up is lettuce. This cool season crop can be grown in spring and fall, and even winter in warmer climates. Start by sowing your seeds directly into the garden soil. Keep the soil consistently moist and thin out the seedlings as they grow. In just a month, you can begin harvesting your lettuce leaves. Third on the list are radishes. These fast-growing veggies are perfect for impatient gardeners. Sow the seeds directly into the garden soil, about ½ an inch deep and 1 inch apart. Keep the soil evenly moist, and in just 3 to 4 weeks, you'll have crunchy, spicy radishes ready to harvest. Last but not least, we have zucchini. This summer squash is a prolific producer, so you only need a few plants. Start by sowing your seeds directly into the garden soil after the last spring frost date. Make sure to provide plenty of room for the plants to grow, as they can get quite large. Keep them well watered, and in about 2 months, you'll have zucchini ready to pick. In summary, tomatoes, lettuce, radishes, and zucchini are 4 easy vegetables for beginner gardeners. They all have their own specific needs, but the basic principles are the same. Sow your seeds, keep them well watered, provide enough sunlight, and be patient. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor and the satisfaction of growing your own food. And remember, gardening is not just about the end result. It's also about the process. It's about connecting with nature, learning new skills, and experiencing the joy of watching something grow from a tiny seed into a delicious vegetable. So why wait? Start your gardening journey today.